Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video. I figured today I have a little bit of time to spare, so I'll show y'all a little pump I built probably 3 years ago for a hot water furnace system for my mother's house. If y'all are actually interested in that, just let me know and I'll go into more detail later, but for now we're just going to focus on the pump I built. All I used was a little, I think a scrapyard electric motor. Not really sure where I've got that, but you can pick those little motors up about anywhere really cheap because they go on about anything. But I think the only thing I had to buy was this little pulley adapter, and it just has a little set screw in it so it slides over the shaft of the motor, and then the pulley bolts on here. So that's the only cost of this whole project I've got is the cost of this. It was probably like $15 or something if I had to guess. But anyways, the actual water pump is off of a small block Chevy I had laying around, and you can pick these pumps up at the auto parts store for like 20 bucks. They're extremely cheap if they ever do fail. So I also wanted to make the pump removable in case I did have a failure to it. So what I done was I took some 1/4 inch plate and drilled 2 holes in there, I think 1 inch diameter. And of course, because the way these pumps work is the inlet is right here, and then the outlet is 2 ports, you know, one on this side, one on this side. And a problem I had to come across or overcome was making both outlets go into one outlet. So what I did on the back, I'll shine a light because my lighting here sucks, but what I done was I just cut these pipes at an angle and welded them to the back side of the plate. But you can see I've still got the bolts here where we can you know, remove and install the pump. But both of these steel pipes, they just weld to the back of the plate, and then I just teed them into this one big outlet and just ran the outlet, you know, straight out. And I've got my little support bar back here. It serves 2 purposes. It supports the back of the motor and also supports the pipe itself so it don't vibrate or break or anything like that. But yeah, I'll turn this pump on and let you hear how quiet it is because it's actually very quiet. We'll do 2 runs with it, one with no water going through it, and I'll try to rig up something here and let you at least see how much water it pumps, because I did try it out before, and this thing, from what I remember, it empties a 5-gallon bucket of water in probably, I would say, 10 to 15 seconds. So for the application I'm using it for, I'll probably have to put a restrictor in it because it pumps a little too fast. But the biggest reason I went with this design is that, you know, of course this is a water pump for a cooling system, so it's designed to take extremely high water temperatures anyways. So I know that would be no problem. And this way the motor itself is very well isolated from the hot water that'll be going through it, so you won't have a premature motor failure from heat. So alright, we fixed our lighting situation, so a little more lit, but let me turn it on here and show you the sound of it with no coolant going through it. As you can tell, it's actually really quiet because I can talk over it easy. But so now let me see if I can cobble up something to get this thing to pump some water, and I'll show you all this thing in action. Alright, the only bad thing about this pump system is that it doesn't self-prime. So to get this, get the prime going, get the flow going, I'm just going to take a shot vac and hit the back of it until it picks up water into the impeller, and then it'll start to run on its own. So here we go. Alright, now I'm going to do one more shot of just the bucket. I think this is about a 3-gallon bucket, so it don't pick up all the way off the bottom, but I'll fill it up one more time and let you see how fast it does drain this little trash can I've got here. Alright, here we go. Remember, it'll take a second because I got to kind of jump start this thing with the shop vac. Alright, so there you have it. Electric water pump just built out of scrap and a little small block Chevy water pump. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.